Now the next feature that it has is learn, which isn't, I must admit, perfect for us, and I'll tell you why. We will see why, because what learn requires us to do is to produce exactly what's written on the card. So here we can say gymnast performing the splits, a hockey player bending at the waist when dribbling the ball. See, I would say that's something to do with flexion or flexibility, but if I write in flexibility, then let's have a look at what the answer is. It's examples of flexibility. So according to the computer, because I haven't used it word for word, that's incorrect, but what they've built in now for us to say, actually, I'm going to override that, because I didn't say examples of flexibility, but I actually got that right, so I'm going to override that. And if you look over here, at the moment I've got one incorrect and one correct, but I'll override that. Bang, and now I've got one correct, which is fine. Batting, bowling, cricket, performing a layup in layup shot and basketball. I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to learn my lesson. Examples of coordination, I think. Let's see what happens. Examples of coordination, I got that right, brilliant. Okay, so learn is difficult, and need to be aware of that, because if they don't get the words absolutely right, especially if we've written sentences, then they may become a little bit frustrated. It's just something to be aware of with that.